having a fabulous day. Leave a comment below how your day is going. So let's talk about today's video, and it's going to be about the Layered by Lace subscription box. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, great to have you. I really appreciate you. And doing a like, subscribe, and don't forget that little bell below so you'll be notified of future videos. So anyways, let's talk about this. This is a subscription service for bralettes. And this is something new to my channel, and I think maybe you might like it. So this is $16 a month, and you get to select, you know, your bra size. And they have a small, medium, large, and there's some give in the sizing. And they're not structured, they're bralettes, they're lace. And you know what? Sometimes you want to feel that little extra feminine underneath your clothes. Or let's say you have, a dress or something, and instead of having that little white or beige or black, regular color bras, why not have a little lace showing? So it just kind of gives that little extra pop of color. So here's what you get every month, and I believe it or not, I got this October 31st for October 2020. So let's open it up and let's chit chat of what you got. So here is the bralette. It is a beautiful hunter green. Look at this. Isn't that just incredible? It has, look at this racer back here. Let me show it to you. Look at that. Oops. Kind of slippery here, but look at that. And just look at the detailing right here. So imagine that on your shoulder, just peeking out ever so nicely. And it has nice coverage. It doesn't have anything for, modesty, but that's what with the, bralette. But it is 2-layered on the cups, and it has a nice, look at this band, and it has nice give to it. Really pretty. And you know what? I've just been seeing this all over, YouTube, and I thought maybe, something different. And has nice cups, and has a nice band around, so it's not going to dig into you. And we all hate those bras that sit there and they dig you in under your armpit or in the shoulder. And this is something that's nice to give you a little bit of support. It's not going to give you a lot, but it'll give you a little support. Doesn't have an underwire, but you know what? Why not be comfortable? And especially since we're going to be staying home a lot, this is great. And I love this racer back. Look at that. That is really pretty. So I'm hoping that you enjoy this. And you know what? I think that, the product for 16 bucks is really great. You can't get a bralette for 16 bucks anymore. You're lucky if you get it for 25 or 30. So this is a really nice way to dive in, and every month you get a different one, and they're different colors. They have beautiful styles, and you know what? I think you'd really enjoy it. So anyways, I know this is a real quick video, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to do a like, subscribe below, and don't forget the little bell, and leave a comment and let me know if you'd like to see more of these. And you have a fabulous one, and take care. Bye-bye.